Thank you for downloading the Leadership Edge audit. This isn't just another assessment, it's a leadership mirror. I created this because I kept hearing the same things from founders, CEOs, and high performing women. I feel stuck even though things are working. I'm the one holding everything. I know I'm capable of more. I'm not sure what that even means anymore. The audit helps bring that fog into focus. So here's what to do next. Take 10 minutes to go through the questions and be honest with yourself. Based on your score, you'll get a reflection. And I'll send you a few short, thoughtful emails to help you unpack what it means and what to do with it. If anything hits a nerve or feels spot on, reach out. Or if you already know this is your season for deeper support, let's talk about Lead True or joining the Impact Circle. You don't have to lead from overwhelm. You can lead from clarity, and I'll show you how.